Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, just dropped a bombshell during his keynote at GTC 2025, and the AI and robotics world will never be the same.
What do you think? This is where we work. This is where we work. What an amazing year it was, and we have a lot of incredible things to talk about. And I just want you to know that I'm up here without a net. There are no scripts, there's no teleprompter, and I've got a lot of things to cover, so let's get started.
With a series of groundbreaking announcements, Huang unveiled technologies that could redefine the future of robotics, AI, and human-machine interaction. From the introduction of the GR00T N1 model, a revolutionary open-source humanoid robot foundation model, to collaborations with Google DeepMind and Disney Research, NVIDIA is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Oh, and let's not forget the updated Atlas humanoid robot from Boston Dynamics, which is now training for industrial tasks. Buckle up because this is big. Jensen Huang didn't mince words when he declared, "The time has come for robots." With the unveiling of the GR00T N1 model, NVIDIA is ushering in what Huang calls the age of generalist robotics. This isn't just about robots that can perform specific tasks. It's about robots that can reason, adapt, and learn across a wide range of environments and applications. The GR00T N1 model is designed to bring generalized skills and reasoning to humanoid robots, making them more versatile and capable than ever before. What does this mean in practice? Imagine a robot that can understand its surroundings, follow complex instructions, and perform tasks it's never encountered before. That's the promise of GR00T N1. Huang described it as the world's first open-source humanoid robot foundation model, meaning it's available for developers and researchers to build upon and customize for their specific needs. This is a huge deal because it democratizes access to advanced robotics technology, accelerating innovation across industries. So, what makes GR00T N1 so special? At its core, the model is built on a dual-system architecture inspired by principles of human cognition. Let's break it down. System 1 is the fast-thinking action model. Think of it as the robot's reflexes and intuition. It's responsible for quick, reactive movements and decisions, like catching a falling object or avoiding an obstacle. This system is bolstered by a massive amount of synthetic data generated by NVIDIA's Omniverse platform, as well as human demonstration data. In other words, it's trained to act quickly and efficiently based on real-world scenarios. System 2, on the other hand, is the slower-thinking, more deliberate decision-making system. This is where the robot's reasoning and planning come into play. System 2 uses a vision language model to contextualize its surroundings and interpret instructions. It's responsible for tasks that require careful thought and planning, like navigating a cluttered room or assembling a piece of furniture. Once System 2 has formulated a plan, it hands off the execution to System 1, which converts those plans into precise robotic movements. This dual-system approach is a game-changer because it mirrors how humans think and act. By combining fast, reactive decision-making with slower, more deliberate reasoning, GR00T N1 enables robots to handle a wide range of tasks with human-like efficiency and adaptability. During the keynote, Huang showcased several real-world applications of GR00T N1, highlighting its potential to transform industries and everyday life. One of the most impressive demonstrations featured 1X Technology's Neo-Gamma humanoid robot, which has been trained using a post-trained policy based on GR00T N1. The robot was shown learning and performing household tasks, like picking up objects and navigating through a home environment. This is a significant step forward, because it demonstrates how robots can be trained to adapt to real-world scenarios, not just controlled environments. But it's not just about household chores. Huang also revealed that the updated Atlas humanoid robot from Boston Dynamics is now training for industrial tasks under the guidance of its parent company, Hyundai. Footage of Atlas and its digital twin showed the robot performing complex maneuvers and handling objects in a simulated factory setting. This is a clear indication that humanoid robots are moving beyond novelty and into practical, real-world applications. The implications of this are enormous. In industrial settings, robots like Atlas could take on dangerous or repetitive tasks, improving safety and efficiency. In healthcare, they could assist with patient care or perform surgeries with precision. And in homes, they could help with chores, provide companionship, or even care for the elderly. The possibilities are endless, and Groot N1 is the key to unlocking them. Another major announcement from Huang's keynote was the update to NVIDIA's Omniverse platform, specifically the Cosmos AI model. This update enhances the platform's ability to generate highly realistic synthetic training data, allowing robots to be trained in super real time. What does that mean? Essentially, robots can be trained faster than real-world conditions, accelerating the learning process and enabling them to adapt to new tasks and environments more quickly. This is a huge advantage because one of the biggest challenges in robotics is the time and resources required for training. By creating highly realistic virtual environments, Omniverse allows developers to simulate countless scenarios and train robots without the need for physical prototypes. This not only reduces costs, but also speeds up the development process, making it easier to bring advanced robotics technology to market. Huang also introduced Newton, an open-source physics engine developed in collaboration with Google DeepMind and Disney Research. Newton is designed to simulate robotic movements in physical reality, helping robots become more expressive and capable of complex tasks. This is particularly important for humanoid robots, which need to move and interact with their environment in a way that's both efficient and natural. The collaboration with Google DeepMind is especially noteworthy because it brings together two of the biggest names in AI and robotics. DeepMind's expertise in reinforcement learning and AI algorithms, combined with NVIDIA's cutting-edge hardware and software, has the potential to push the boundaries of what robots can do. And with Disney Research on board, we could even see robots that are capable of more expressive and lifelike movements, opening up new possibilities for entertainment and human-robot interaction. So, what does all of this mean for the future of robotics and AI? In short, we're on the brink of a revolution. The combination of Groot N1, Omniverse, and Newton represents a significant leap forward in robotics technology. These advancements are not just incremental improvements, they're transformative. They have the potential to change the way we live, work, and interact with machines. For industries, this means greater efficiency, safety, and productivity. Robots can take on tasks that are too dangerous or repetitive for humans, freeing up workers to focus on more creative and strategic roles. For consumers, it means smarter, more capable robots that can assist with everyday tasks and improve quality of life. And for researchers and developers, it means access to powerful tools and platforms that accelerate innovation and make it easier to bring new ideas to life. But with great power comes great responsibility. As robots become more advanced and integrated into our lives, we need to think carefully about the ethical implications. How do we ensure that these technologies are used responsibly? What happens to jobs that are replaced by robots? These are complex questions that don't have easy answers, but they're questions we need to start addressing now. So, what do you think? Are we on the verge of a robotics revolution? And what does this mean for the future of work, industry, and everyday life? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.